Hey, this is Yogeshkumar.Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on civil engineering. The famous civil engineer was John Smeaton. John Smeaton was born on 8 June 1824. He was a pioneer in of cast iron metal in water working and windmill mechanism. M. Visheshwaraya is also known to be Indian civil engineer, father of engineering, is known to be. September 15 is the birth of V. Visheshwaraya. He planned Kingdom of Mysore, now in Karnataka. He died in Bangalore. He lived for 100 years. Visheshwaraya was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1955. Civil engineers, they plan and maintain airport, roads, dam and stormwater drainage, etc. Many kind of civil engineering is there. To name few is structural engineering, construction engineering, general engineering, hydraulic engineering, urban or municipal engineering, etc. It is 100% true I am delivering. So please like and share my video. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogesh Kumar and Education Yogesh Kumar. So please like and subscribe my video. John Smeaton was very good at constructing canals, bridges, dams, lighthouses, etc. He was awarded with the medal because his father was in law. He used to get maximum construction projects. The main job of civil engineer is to plan and maintain infrastructures like airport, roads, canal, dams, and storm water drainage. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.